Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today what we are going to be reviewing is does anybody recognize this packaging? Well, let us see what's in here. Oh, what's this? Okay, so we're going to be reviewing the Beauty Killer 2, and yes, this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics' newest palette. I think the first Beauty Killer came out in like 2016, and now in 2022 he has come out with Beauty Killer 2. And voila! It is absolutely stunning. I love all the different colors, especially that one. I even had it match my outfit, so I'm gonna try to incorporate it. I did open them a little bit early because I deserved it. So then I also got the Ice Crusher, his new Skin Frost Pro palette. And look at that. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And I did get a couple other things from Jeffree Star too. I got a bunch of lip products. I absolutely love his lip products. They are the best. So these are all different ones that have already been reviewed and swatched multiple times by people, but I will choose one today that I'm going to review as well, along with it. And I did actually end up grabbing the Pink Religion palette too, just because I always thought this was gorgeous. Of course, this is going to be in another review, but that packaging. He has the best packaging ever. But I did also get this from Influencer. It's the new Benefit, what is it? Their Real Extreme Precision Liner. So I'm gonna try this for you guys as well, and I'm gonna try it out and do a little review, but this is what it is. It's their new liner. So we'll do that as well. And so yeah, I have a whole look picked out that I think is absolutely gorgeous. I already have like some of my makeup on, my brows, and like some different things, but let's get into the look, because the look is what is going to just be so amazing. Oh, and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much. If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate it. If you're a new viewer, hello, my name is Jordan, and thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching. Alright, so the colors are as follows. This is called Guillotine Dream. That's my favorite. This is called Blow Up Doll. This is called Soul Sucker. Look at that, it just like dazzles. This is called Self-Expression. This is called Redemption. This one here, the nude colors Respect. This one here is Under Oath. It's like a tannish, almost green type of color. This one here is called Indica Bling. That one. And this one's called Rebirth. And then this is called Death Row. Very, very beautiful colors. So we're gonna start with the brownish green one right here, Under Oath. And I'm gonna start carving out, like, you know, doing a little dimension. Start out with a little bit dimensions going on here. Okay, so as you can see, I carved out a little bit with the brown. I'm gonna do a transition shade with this one right here called Indica Bling. Right underneath that color, but with a smaller brush. Okay guys, there is a tiny bit of fallout that I brushed away. That's kind of normal, but nothing like extra. So as you can see, I put that blue here, and then I kind of went out this way because I'm going to clean it up at the sides and make it a little bit sharp to go with our Beauty Killer Sharp. Look at those little indentations in there. He actually has mirrors like that too, like the hatchet or the knife, but I just kept with my one mirror because I'm not a big fan of holding the mirrors and trying to do the makeup. I just have a hard time doing it, but alright, so the next color that I'm going to be going into is called Redemption. That's the darker one, and we're going to be doing that at the sides. First, I'm probably going to have to do like a cut crease right in there. Alright, here we go. Dark shade going on. Once again, this is called Redemption. Alright guys, so here's this with the, as you can see, I'm doing like a darker, and then we're just kind of doing like the halo eye, but I'm going to be putting something really cool in it. I'm actually going to be going into the Ice Crusher palette because you can also use highlighters as eyeshadows, and I'm going to go into the gold and kind of put like that right in the middle there. Actually, you know what? I think he has a little bit of green in there. I'm going to make like a greenish gold in the middle. So I'm going into Self-Expression. This is like his, I think his star color in the palette is like these neons. They're gorgeous. Alright, and there is that. So then with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the gold, once again in the Ice Crusher palette, which is his new palette as well, with the new launch of the Beauty Killer 2. And we are gonna put that in the middle, because it's like a greenish gold. So, next thing on the list is we are going to make that neon green into like a liner, and we're going to line up there. There are ways to do this, and they're the eyeliner liquids. You can make, it's literally a liquid that you can make any pigment or eyeshadow or anything into like a liner. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is what I'm using. This is the eyeliner sealer. You can literally make any eyeshadow or anything into a kind of liner. So I'm just making this eyeliner brush wet. I'm just gonna make sure it's like really sharp. We want the point nice and sharp so it doesn't mess anything up. And then we shall dip into the green. Not gonna lie, that was a little more difficult than what I expected. Alright, so there's that so far. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up like the edges here. Little concealer. And I just kind of put some on my hand. Like so. And just clean up the edges. Alright, edges cleaned up. I just think that looks so cool. Alright, so underneath we're just going to use this blue periwinkle color again. We're just going to do an eyeliner underneath using that. The completion of my eye look. And then we're gonna play with the highlighter palette and some lippies. This is the liner. They're a real extreme precision liner. And I'm just gonna do it at the sides because I don't wanna like, oh, look at this packaging. That is beautiful.
You make it so hard to breathe. You make it so hard to see. I'm blind.
That does an amazing job. Look at that liner. That is really good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's see how waterproof it is, shall we? That's pretty waterproof. Yeah, it says it's pretty waterproof. That's just with some regular like Sephora makeup wipes. Not even that good. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna do my lashes, and then we will play with the highlighter palette and some lippies. Okay, I got my lashes on. These are the Glamnetic lashes in Birthday Bish. And I absolutely, as most people know who watch my channel, they know that I love the Glamnetics. So it's time for us to play with this beautiful, beautiful highlighter palette. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So I'll swatch a few of them for you guys. Actually, I'll just swatch them all. Alright, these are the top three, and then these are the bottom three. I kind of swatched them weird, but look at them. They are beautiful. I really am feeling that purple, but I'm also feeling that one in the middle that's green. It's called Snow Job. I'm really thinking of that one because of the fact that I have so much of the green on. Right up here. That is gorgeous. Do you see that reflecting everywhere? Just gonna put a little down my nose. I really like some like right there. And then I still like some above my lip. Just to give it that little extra. Oh my gosh, that's so glowing. I think I might use a tiny brush and just like get above my brow bone because I still really like that look. That is so beautiful. Alright, Jeffree Star, those are some beautiful, beautiful freaking highlighters. You could put them all over your body too, like. So now we're gonna do some lips. I did just grab this liner. I really like this one. This is called Allegedly. Alright, so I have a lot of different colors. 714, Scandal. Let's see which one would look the best. Pussy Whipped kind of looks like it might be a good color. Might be a good color for this one. I think we're gonna go for that one. And no, this isn't a new color. I just got a new one because the other one was old. Yeah, I think that was a good idea. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the look. This is the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer Palette 2. I loved it. I absolutely love the pigment. There was a little bit of fallout, but nothing extra or crazy. And then of course the Ice Crusher palette, so beautiful. Absolutely in love with these two. I really like the look that I did. Look at that look. So gorgeous. Alright, so I'm going to put you guys in better light so you can see really good. Alright, here is the look in better lighting. Look at that highlighter. Oh my god. And that lip. Oh. Let's turn it over here where the background's a little nicer. So anyway guys, if you like more of this content, I will be having more releases coming up. There are at least 3 more that I have ordered that are coming up. One of them is here, another one's about to be here. All new releases from Sephora and other brands that we love. So if you like this content, you're enjoying everything that I'm putting out, give me a like, a subscribe, thumbs up, hit the notifications bell, and keep watching for some more extra beautiful non-basic looks because they are on this channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and bye bye.